Never want to forget an important task again. Dola AI makes creating reminders quick and effortless using simple, natural language. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create reminders, customize them, edit them later, and make sure you receive notifications right on time. So let's get started. Begin by opening the Dola AI website or mobile app and signing in to your account. After logging in, you'll arrive at the main chat screen where you can interact with the AI assistant. Now click or tap the message box and type your reminder naturally. For example, you could write, "Remind me to submit my report tomorrow at 9 in the morning," or "Remind me to call mom this evening." Yeah, Dola AI automatically understands the task, date, and time. Once you send the message, Dola AI creates a reminder preview. Carefully review the task name, scheduled time, and date to make sure everything is correct before saving it. If all the information looks correct, confirm or save the reminder. Dola AI will add it to your schedule and prepare to notify you at the selected time. If your plans change, open the reminder and update the date, time, or description. You can also delete reminders that are no longer needed, keeping your schedule organized. To make sure you never miss a reminder, allow notification access on your device. Without notifications enabled, Dola AI may not be able to alert you when your reminder is due. Before you finish, create a reminder that's scheduled just a few minutes into the future. Wait for the notification to appear and confirm that everything is working as expected. And that's how to create reminders in Dola AI. With just a simple message, you can stay organized, remember important tasks, and let AI help manage your daily routine. Yeah, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more practical guides, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.